Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Damien Hirst filter on Snapchat. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the more informative videos every day. So guys, let's get started. So you have to go to your Play Store first to get this. You have to, after going to Play Store, what you have to do here, you have to just search for Snapchat here. So after searching your Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to update your Snapchat here. So after updating your Snapchat, what you have to do is, let me go to Snapchat. So after going to Snapchat, you can see here, for this is the one, you can see here. So now, what you have to do, you can see this is the one. So now, just place your camera on the face, you can see here. So guys, this is how you can get the filter on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.